Not every factory is smart, but every factory has the potential to be. What makes the difference isn't just machinery, it's how everything and everyone is connected. From sales and the technical office to production, warehouse, administration, logistics, and general management, every department in a manufacturing plant plays a critical role. This is where Lantech comes in, and we're not tied to one machine brand. In fact, we support more than 4,500 different machine models from multiple manufacturers. That means your entire production floor, regardless of machine brand or age, can operate as a single, integrated system. Nesting, bending, cutting, planning, quoting, scheduling, warehousing, shipping. All of it, fully traceable and completely under control. Let's follow the manufacturing process step by step, from the very beginning, to see how Lantech connects it all. Every manufacturing process starts with a request, a new customer knocking on the door. And at that moment, the speed and accuracy of your sales team can make all the difference. With Lantech, your salespeople don't need to be technical experts. They can create fast, accurate quotations from any connected device, as the system pulls real-time data from your production resources. So quotes are not just quick, they're reliable. Once the customer approves the quote, the order is automatically generated and connected with your ERP or CRM. Just one click, and manufacturing is already in motion. When the customer accepts the quote, the order is confirmed, and the workflow moves forward. The technical office receives the new production order directly. It appears in the production manager's inbox, ready for review. With all the required data already integrated, materials, delivery dates, and machine capacity, the system generates the production order automatically and assigns it to the appropriate machine. No extra steps, just a clear, structured start to the manufacturing process. Then, the production order reaches the engineer. Now it's time to prepare the parts for fabrication. Lantech's nesting engine takes over. It calculates the best way to arrange each part on the sheet, maximizing material usage, minimizing scrap, and adapting to the exact capabilities of the machine. What used to take hours now takes minutes. Once the layout is confirmed, the machining paths are generated and sent directly to the selected machine. Everything is ready for cutting. Now, with the nesting ready and the machining path set, the production manager steps in to validate the job. Using Lantech MES, the new order is planned in the context of everything already running. The system helps optimize the workflow, and with Lantech Control Panel, the manager can track the status and progress of every machine and every job in real time. Whether in the office or on the move, production is always under control. The production is confirmed. Now it's time to prepare the material. The warehouse receives the request. The sheet selected by the technical office is ready to be sent to the machine, without phone calls or printouts, just a clear notification in the system. The request is accepted, and the material is on the move. If stock levels drop during processing, Lantech detects it instantly and generates a purchase request before it impacts production. Material is prepared, stock is updated, and the next job stays on schedule, without delays or downtime. At the machine, the operator loads the sheet and checks the nesting file. All machining data is already set. The machine operators review, confirm, and press start. Once the job is finished, Lantech automatically registers actual times and costs. No need for manual input. Performance is captured as it happens. Once the sales order is confirmed, it flows directly into administration. From there, the team prepares the customer invoice using all the data already available in the system: prices, materials, quantities, and delivery terms. As everything matches, nothing needs to be re-entered. Once reviewed, the invoice is sent by email. With the invoice issued, shipping is already authorized. The process moves forward, aligned from quote to delivery. Back in the warehouse, finished parts are prepared for delivery. They are wrapped, labeled, and ready to go. The shipment is on its way. From their control panel, general management can track the entire production process in real time. With Lantech Manufacturing Analytics, they can analyze factory performance in detail, OEE, by machine, line, or plant, material consumption, lead times, and dozens of metrics focused on productivity. And when it's time to assess profitability, Lantech Customer Analytics provides a complete view of each job and each customer, real margins, payment status, and key business KPIs to support confident data-driven decisions. A connected factory is one where every step, every decision, and every resource works in sync. From the first quote to the final delivery, everything flows. One system behind it all, powered by Lantech.